Hi guys, so today we're gonna make some sweet and spicy glazed chicken thighs. This recipe is so easy and it's so delicious. So for this recipe you're gonna need some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now for the coating you're gonna need some brown sugar, some cayenne pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, some onion powder, some paprika, some salt, and some black pepper. Now we're just going to mix that together, and then we're going to go ahead and fully coat our chicken with it. And then I'm going to add it to a hot skillet with a little bit of olive oil. Now as your chicken cooks, that brown sugar is going to turn into a glaze. So you want to make sure your fire is not too hot. So go ahead and cut your fire on a medium and make sure you're moving your chicken around because you don't want it to stick and burn. But as you can see, that brown sugar has turned into a sticky, delicious glaze. Y'all, this is so good. It's perfect with white rice. You know I love throwing everything on white rice. Yum.